Good morning. Trying to do some vlogs this morning. Trying to get one in. Trying to get one in. Camera crooked or something. Anyhow. Doing a vlog for this morning on a Monday morning. A Monday morning vlog. Y'all know me. Anyhow, trying to get a vlog in. Hope y'all guys had a good Sunday. I did. I relaxed, as always. Still doing a lot of work. Trying to play catch up. I was trying to get my the cartoon to work, but for some apparent reason it won't let me take it from where I normally take it from and put it into the I normally take it and put it in one app and put it in another app where I could do some extra editing and all that good stuff to it. It won't let me. So I've done 2 of them. I just can't get them to go over into the other app. I don't know why. I'll work on it. I just haven't had a chance to mess with it. Trying to do a bunch of other stuff at the same time. I gotta wash the whip. It's dirty. She dirty. Real dirty. Anyhow, I don't know, you know how you're lost for words? Lost for words. Very much lost for words. Yep, lost for words. Today I think I'm gonna do a little bit of editing on my I think I'll edit it probably. I did a buck in the bill. I think I'm gonna edit them this morning after I do this one. Put this one up. You know what I mean? Nah, I mean, trying to. I know this morning is kind of slow. I haven't been on my right cues right lately. Been off key for a minute. I don't know what's going on. Like right now, I don't know. It's like something is off. Need to turn back on, you know. As you know, I'm still on the oxygen. You can see, still on the oxygen. Still having some difficulties. It's been what? I got out the hospital on the 26th of last month. Today is the 29th of February. So a month and what? 6 days, month, 6, 7 days, something like that, and still on the oxygen. Still having trouble. Not a lot of trouble, but still having trouble. It seems like my good days are kind of getting to my bad days, you know. It's kind of to, like today, I feel kind of, you know, off key. It's like I'm not all together. Kind of normal, but you know, I kind of noticed it this morning. You know, normally it's just a normal day, but I kind of noticed it a little more today than well, this morning than normal. So just trying to pick myself up. Normally once I try to get my morning stuff out the way, I sit down and then I kind of relax, and then my day kind of kick in a little bit better. You know, it's like the flow kind of kicking a little better than it was if it was an actual day. When I went to the doctor, I found out that I may be on this oxygen longer than I expected. So it could be 2 or 3 more months. It could be a year. It's something that no one has a time frame. You know, I don't have a time frame. My body is not it's not on the same page as my lungs. My body want to do more, and my lungs still want to relax, take it easy. So, which is not, they're not too relaxed, but relaxed. They need to get it together, you know. I'm still at the moment where I can't do a lot of stuff at one time. I have to do things bit by bit. I was working on the what we used to keep our, I guess we used to call it the man cave. We used to, you know, have all the Dallas Cowboy stuff in it. We started taking it down so we can change the room into something else. Not saying that I quit the Dallas Cowboys, but we needed the room because we are expanding our shirts business and our clothes business rather, and we needed to don't want to get the Dallas Cowboy stuff damaged, and so we went ahead and packed up a lot of it so we can pack boxes and stuff like that in there, and you know, and stuff like that. So I've been working on it for like 3 days, and I finally got finished with it yesterday. I have to do a little bit at a time because once I start moving stuff around and everything, I get out of breath and I gotta sit down. Then I get frustrated, and then that makes it worse because I want to finish it and I can't. So I got a lot of stuff going on because once I get frustrated, I try to keep doing it and doing it and doing it, and then I make myself worse because my body keeps trying to do it, and then my other side keep going, you know, you better sit down. You know, you better sit down. You know, and dragging this cord around with me, and trying to move furniture and stuff like that. Not good. Not good at all, y'all. That's not good to do. And if I take this oxygen off, and the first time I tried to move something, I gotta get it. So ain't no need taking it off. I might as well just keep it on so I can at least get the job done. So this oxygen situation is not good, and it just ain't good for people who like me and other people who's on oxygen, and you gotta struggle to do stuff every day. It gets boring. You get frustrated. I've been getting frustrated and angry because every time I try to do something, I get caught up in the cord or something like that, you know. So that's just another thing you gotta have to deal with. So it's terrible. Terrible. But still, I'm blessed, and I'm this far. You know, I got this far, so I know I can continue. So it's not like I'm in a depressed mode or nothing like that. No. I am too happy and too excited on how much and what I accomplished these months, because last month on the 1st I was on my last. I was definitely on my last. So to see myself out the hospital, walking around, talking, able to do videos, you know, I even found myself doing good because I was able to record videos while I was in the hospital. So that right there was a plus. I knew I had to, you know what I'm saying? I knew stuff had to be done, and I wasn't gonna let that just put me down. So anyhow, enough chattering about myself, which that's always, because that's what my vlog is about. My life, my family, things that I do. Hopefully I can get this I can get this thing right where I can put the descriptions and all of this stuff on the channel like it should be. I'm working on it. You know, I had somebody who was going to help me, but like I said before, since this coronavirus out, everybody's life has changed. Their job schedules and all kind of stuff is different. So I have to catch them when I can, and I haven't been able to catch them because their schedule has really jacked up, man. And I don't want to have too many people coming to my house. I don't want visitors and stuff like that coming here. I can't afford to get sick again, so I try to stay away. Don't come here. Don't come here. And if they do come, you know, we outside, and I don't want to do stuff like that outside, you know. So, but I'll get it. Me and the wife, we've been trying to get the vlogs and stuff right. We've been trying to get them where we can do them live on Facebook, like, you know, like we need to. I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna try to get everything done. But yeah, a lot of videos are coming. Since I know that this is going to be a long process, and people who do have oxygen, they are able to drive and do little things more than what they can, as long as they got the oxygen. I may try to take a ride around in the car and see how that works. Cause if I'm gonna go like this in the long term, I got a brand new car sitting here, and it's just sitting in the yard. My wife, she drives it every now and then, but I want to drive my own car. But anyhow, you guys see me on the vlog, please like, share, and comment. That's always good. Y'all look for me on Facebook. Check me out on Facebook. I am on Instagram. I am on TikTok. So you guys, y'all check me out on those platforms. I'm gonna try to put the where you'll be able to find me at, like you know, Facebook name and all that good stuff. I'm gonna try to put it on there. But anyway, if not, just look for Porter McGee Jr. I got like I said, a bunch of channels. I'm sorry, and just look for this mug. Just look for my mug, you know. Anyhow, as always, peace.